Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Hey, this is your man Chauncey. We just got back home from 1 million cups. My wife and we had an order. My wife just headed off to drop that order off for our business that we have together, myrootedvines.com. Check it out. Beautiful, wonderful, great herbal teas as well as some of the old school teas. But again, checking out the market, what I want to share with you guys is that something that I want to talk to you guys about, especially when you're looking at the financial market. I did put on a quick trade because I had some things I need to do, primarily get out and take care of some yard work because we have next couple of days to get ready for our business. Rooted Vines night market once again, but I did place a trade, quick 1-to-1, and I did. This is what I love about day trading is that it allows you as the day trader to be able to put on a trade, and if you have things you have to do, you can choose to manually close it out. So right up top here is where I had my take profit. This was my stop loss right here. This is where I enter the market and where this line is. And because I had things I have to do today, I just decided to go ahead, take a small take profit and close out. This is the thing that I like to emphasize. I'm not going to worry so much about what was going on within the news. You know what? Change that up real quick. Market news that jumped off earlier today. As you can see here, stock market today, major indices are mixed as wholesale inflation comes in much hotter than expected. And I'm going to show you what is meant by that. Tech shares rebound, but that was there. Here are the markets, the heat maps on FinViz. As you can see, markets are up a little bit. Crude oil, as well as WTI and Brent are up as well, over $100. If I go over here to Brent, though it shows down, it's still at $106 a barrel. But jumping over here to Forex, Forex Factory. As you can see, today is May 13th. The core PPI, this is where the producers are doing this. Is on a monthly level. But as you can see, this is what they forecasted at 0.03%. It jumped up a full 7 points. So this is what we're talking about, is where the producers have one thing, and those numbers, I showed you as far as the inflationary numbers yesterday. Again, PPI month to month is red folders. Like I told you guys, be on the lookout when you see red folders. That's not just caution to the wind. That is real data that affects us. They forecasted it at 0.5%. 1.4%. Crude oil, see those barrels right there? Boom. It's not necessarily a red flag, but trust do believe, red folder, I should say, but it is huge. It's way up there. So again, when you're looking at the market, potato vine, I like to say for myself, sometimes even though it may be, you may set it and be there and walk away and let it do what it do. Me, myself personally, if the market chooses to go in a direction, but if you have things you got to do, like I myself, you can choose to close your trade out manually. You don't have to be in there. Now, it still may hit my 1-for-1, but again, choice. That's by way of, like I say again, we build the trader before you make the trade, which allow you, the trader, to make those decisions. So you guys have a great day. The weather's nice, so that's why I'm gonna get out here and take care of some of these weeds. And I did my grass front and back yesterday, got a half acre, but my tree line, I gotta tame it. So you guys have a great day. We'll talk soon. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye now.